Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Shopify online store to TikTok Pixels. In case you don't know, basically TikTok Pixels is a piece of code that you can place on your website that allows you to share website's event with TikTok. With TikTok Pixels, you're going to be able to measure traffic on your website, measure ad campaign performance, optimize your campaigns, as well as finding new customer. Now, before you can connect these two things, you're going to need an account for your Shopify online store. You're going to want to set up your store first, and you're going to need to create a business account on TikTok. Now, the business account on TikTok are different from your regular account. In order to do that, you're going to want to go to TikTok Seller Center, and then you're going to want to create your account first. And this is actually depends on which countries you're creating your account from. I think TikTok has different regulation as well as different steps when it comes to creating business account. But for me, you can create your business accounts by going on the shop ad sections on the TikTok Seller Center. Right off the bat, they're going to ask you to create your business account, and I already created mine, so this is the business account for my TikTok shop. And then you're going to go back to your Shopify, go to the app sections right here, and just type in TikTok. Now I'm going to show you that once you go to Shopify App Store, you might see a bunch of TikTok apps. There's a lot that you can choose. You can see there's this Pixel Talk, Quick Things for TikTok, etc. But most of them actually will ask for some subscriptions money, and if you don't want to get another cost for your shop, you can just use the one that is officially from TikTok. It's this one's right here, totally free, and you can just use it to help your shop. So go ahead and click on install. Alright, so as always, when you want to install an app on your Shopify, they're going to ask for some access, and you can click on this arrow right here to see on what kind of access they're asking for. They're going to ask for personal data, such as the name, email address, phone number, physical addresses of your customer, as well as store owner and content provider. And they're also going to ask to view and edit some store data. You can take a look and read thoroughly before you install it and make sure that you're okay with it. And once you're okay, you can go ahead and click on install. Once the app is installed, it's going to show you what you can do with this TikTok app. So basically, you can optimize your marketing campaign. And the important things that we're going to focus on today is this, the one-click pixels installation. So we're going to go and set up our TikTok account on our Shopify for now. So you're going to want to connect your business account on TikTok. And you can just enter your email, or you can log in with TikTok, or you can also use your phone number to log in. So go ahead and set that up. Next is going to show on which TikTok account are going to be connected to your Shopify. As I said before, the regular TikTok account and your business TikTok account is different. I actually have two different accounts for that, so make sure that the one that is going to be connected to your Shopify is the right one. And if you checked it and it's right, you can go ahead and click on connect. But if it's not, you can always click on this switch user option. And here they're going to show on which account you already have. This one is the one that I created for my business account. And if you haven't created a business account through your TikTok yet, you can actually create one with Shopify. So if you would like to do that, you can just go ahead and click on this create new button. I'm just going to use the one that was made on my TikTok. Next, I'm going to show you the data sharing section. So in this data sharing sections, they tells you that TikTok Pixels is going to use first party and third party cookies to measure event, maximize campaign performance, and personalize ads. You can learn more about it by clicking on this learn more options right here, and you're going to be able to see more details about how it works. Now, they actually have three different levels that you can choose. There is the standard level, enhanced level, and maximums level. And if you would like to know what are the difference between each level, you can go ahead and scroll a little bit down, and then you're going to be able to find this arrow. And once you click on it, it's going to show on what kind of data that are going to be able to share. For the Standard 4, you can see the add billings, complete payments, search, complete registration, add to cart, initiates checkout, view content. For the enhanced, there's going to be some difference. So the higher the level of the data sharing that you choose, the more data that you can get. You can pause the video to take a look on what customer data that you can share with each level, or again, you can just read it when you're trying to set up your TikTok for your Shopify. Alright, I'm just going to use the enhanced one for not, so I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm. And last but not least, you can just complete your company information and then you can finish your setup. Next, once we're done with all of that, we're going to want to see whether the pixel is working or not. So to do that, all you have to do is go to your search bar, type in TikTok Pixel Helper, and then you're going to go to the one from Google right here. It's an extension. So again, it's also going to depend on which browser you're using. I'm using a Chrome browser. So try to find this TikTok Pixel Helper extension for your browser and then add it. And make sure that it's already added to your extension. Now to check whether it's working or not, you're going to want to go to your Shopify store. Alright, so here's my store and let's go to our product. Okay, let's see, we're going to take a look on this one. Alright, so to see how it works, you're going to want to pin it first to your browser. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And now you can see that the TikTok Pixel Helper is visible right here, and then you're going to be able to see what is going on your website. You can see the view content is being checked as well as the page view, and that is what this Pixel Helper is for. So you'll be able to see what events is going on your website, and if someone is buying from your website, you're going to be able to see that too. And you can also settings on which website would you like this specific extensions to work on by clicking on the triple dots right here, and it's going to show this can read and change site data option, and you can choose whether you want it to only work for your Shopify online store or you will want this to work on all site. You can settings that through here. So that is it. That is how you can connect your Shopify to TikTok Pixels. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.